Absolutely. Let's talk about weird-ass Caecilians and how fucking weird and wet they are. This is the Caecilian, or Sicilian, like, I've heard it pronounced like 8 different ways. It is not a snake, it is not a worm, but a secret third thing that is actually a type of amphibian. Now there are a couple different things to note. 1, never get involved in a land war in Asia, and 2, never go in against a Caecilian when death is on the line. Now, Caecilians are found pretty much entirely underground. They're very rarely ever seen on the surface of the earth, and they spend the majority of their time living and hunting underground, so much so that they have very, very small undeveloped eyes, and in some species they don't even have eyes at all. They're also very widely distributed, found on many continents in many countries, mainly around the equator, so found largely in Central America, South America, a few countries in Africa, including Malawi and a couple other ones, as well as places in Asia, including Sri Lanka, India, Indonesia, and Malaysia, and a couple other small miscellaneous places as well. They're pretty generalist hunters as well, eating mainly earthworms, but also pretty much anything else they can get their weird little mouths on, including larvae, as well as opportunistically things like small reptiles like lizards or frogs, or even rodents like mice. They're also known to, in most species of Caecilian, give live birth as opposed to laying eggs. They're also potentially the only venomous amphibian with possible venomous saliva and those pointy little teeth there. So I don't think it's confirmed 100% if they are venomous or not, if the glands leading to the teeth were in fact venom glands, but if it is true, they are thus far the only amphibian to actually be venomous as opposed to poisonous. And it has also been confirmed in at least one Caecilian species that they produce milk or a milk-like substance to nourish their young. Overall, they are one of the weirdest creatures ever. Everything about them is just so odd and it doesn't really make sense.